concept of more and less. Okay? हमने इससे पहले और भी बहुत सारे concepts पढ़े हैं. Big, small, okay? And same, different, thick, thin, okay? And today we learn concepts more and less. Concept of more and less. Okay, so learn the concept of more and less. No, you know more means ज़्यादा, more means ज़्यादा, and less means कम. Less means कम. Once again repeat after me. More means ज़्यादा, more means ज़्यादा. Less means कम, less means कम. You have a fingers? Yes. How many fingers do you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 fingers. How many fingers we have? 8 fingers. And do you have a thumb? Yes, we have two thumbs. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. We have 2 thumbs and we have 8 fingers. We have 8 fingers. So, kids, 8 is more. 8 कैसे होता है? 8 fingers ज़्यादा होती है ना, देखिए. 8 is more and 2 is less. And 2 is less. So, thumb is less and fingers are more. Okay? I give you more examples. Okay? See here. I have a beads in my hand. See here. Now see here. I have a beads in my hand. See? And here. See the beads? Yes. So here I have how many beads? We count how many beads in my hand in each side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So see here the 10 beads in my hand. Okay, how many beads? 10 beads. Now see here, this is 10 beads. How many beads in my hand? Once again repeat. इस हाथ में मेरे कितने beads हैं? 10 beads. कितने मोती हैं? हमने भी काउंट किए. कितने मोती हैं? 10 beads. Okay. Now see here in my hand there is 1 and 2 beads. Okay. In this hand I have 2 beads. In this hand I have 2 beads in my hand. Now see here 10 beads in my hand and here 2 beads in my hand. Which bead is more? कौन से beads ज़्यादा है? ये beads ज़्यादा है? ये वाले beads ज़्यादा है? Tell me, these beads are more or these beads are more? These beads are more because in this hand, इस हाथ में 10 beads हैं. कितने beads हैं? 10 beads हैं. और इस हाथ में in this hand only 2 beads. कितने beads हैं सिर्फ? 2 beads हैं. तो कौन से ज़्यादा हुए? ये वाले ज़्यादा हुए ना? तो here here these are 10 beads and here these are only 2 beads. So this is more, ये ज्यादा है ना, ये 10 beads है इसलिए ये ज्यादा है. तो these are more beads and these are less beads. ये कम है. अभी मैंने बताया है more means ज्यादा और less means कम. So see here, more beads, 10 beads तो बहुत ज्यादा होते हैं and 2 beads, so 2 beads are less. See here, more means ज्यादा, so these are more beads, ये ज्यादा beads है and these are less beads, मतलब ये कम है. Okay, more beads, less beads. Okay, more and less. Then next, you see here, I have 2 baskets in my hand. See here. See. Here I have 2 baskets in my hands. Here fruits. How many fruits in this basket? See, the first is banana, second is apple, third is mango, 4 is pineapple and 5 is orange. So here there are 5 fruits: mango, apple, orange, banana and pineapple. Okay, so here 5 fruits in this basket and here in this basket only 1 fruit, watermelon. Okay, only 1 fruit, watermelon. तो आप बताइए किस बास्केट में ज्यादा फ्रूट्स हैं? इस बास्केट में ज्यादा फ्रूट है या इस बास्केट में ज्यादा फ्रूट है? टेल मी, बुरहानुद्दीन, तन्वी, नमामी, टेल मी फास्ट. यस, इसमें ज्यादा फ्रूट्स है तो जिसमें ज्यादा फ्रूट्स है तो हम क्या करेंगे? मोर. ओके, more fruits in this basket. Okay, in this basket here more fruits in this basket and here only 1 fruit, so we are calling less fruit. Okay, we are calling less fruits. Okay, thanks. tab Namami, Tanvi, Prayan, Avnish, हम इसे क्या कहेंगे? यहाँ only 1 fruit है इस बास्केट में, तो हम क्या कहेंगे इसे? Less fruit. Very good. Prayan, very good. Avnish, say less fruits. Very good. Now one more time say more fruits, less fruits. More fruits, less fruits. Less fruit. Okay? Here in this basket there is more fruits because here in this basket there are 5 fruits. And in this basket only 1 fruit, watermelon. So this is more and this is less. Okay? Then I give one more example. What is this? Flower. Very good. And what is the color of this flower? Divyanshi, tell me what is the color is this flower? Which color? Red color. Very good. This color is red in color. ये कौन से कलर का फ्लावर है? Red color का. And how many flowers in my hand? 1 flower. Very good. In this red flower is only 1 flower. So this is less. Very good. Now see here. Oh, yellow flowers. Count it. How many flowers? 1. Divyanshi, count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So here in my hand 6 flowers are here. How many flowers? 6 flowers. What is the color of these flowers? Yellow color flower. So yellow color के जो flowers हैं वो कितने हैं मेरे हाथ में? 6 flowers हैं. Okay? How many flowers? 6 flowers. And this red color flower only 1 flower. So here there are 6 flowers and this is only 1 flower. So which is more? Yellow flower is more or red flower is more? Tell me Divyanshi, Aditya, Aradhya. Tell me fast. Red flower is more or less? Less. Very good. And yellow flower, Burhanuddin, Tanvi, Namami. Tell me. Yellow flower is more or less? More. Very good. Because yellow color के flower कैसे है? ज़्यादा है. तो इसे हम क्या कहेंगे? More flowers. और red flower कम है. ये 6 flowers है, ये only 1 है. तो ये क्या है? Less flower. Okay. I hope you understand more concept of more and less. And we do activity on this board. See here. Do this activity in your maths notebook, okay? Color the set which has more number of object. Okay, objects. Color the set which has more number of objects. अब हमें यहाँ क्या करना है? हमें उस सेट को कलर करना है जहाँ पर more objects हो. Okay? See here. What is this? Flowers. First, you count the objects and then color the objects which is more. Okay? आपको क्या करना है? काउंट करना है ऑब्जेक्ट्स को और फिर आपको जिस सेट में ज्यादा ऑब्जेक्ट्स हैं उसे कलर करना है. ओके? here I write number 8. So tell me which is more and which is less. See here, the flowers are more or the stars are more. First you identify. Yes, very good. The stars are more. So we will do color on stars. है ना, हमें क्या करना है? More numbers objects पर color करना है. And because stars are more, because stars are 8, so we will do color stars. Do coloring. Very good. And do color properly. Yes. Stars are more क्योंकि stars ज़्यादा है और जो flowers हैं वो कम है, less है. तो हमें क्या करना है? जो more है उन्हें color करना है. So stars are more, so we will do color stars. Okay, very good. Then next. Now see here. Here balls and bats. Okay. So here see how many balls and how many bats are here. First we count the balls, okay? 1, 2, 3. How many balls are here? 3. So here we write number 3. Then how many bats are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So bats are more. Bats कैसे हैं? ज़्यादा हैं. So bats are more. So we will do color on bats. Bats पर because the bats are more. Bats ज़्यादा है, balls only 3 है and bats कितने हैं? 4. Okay, so do coloring more objects. Very good. Then see here. Yes. Here okay, the ice cream are here and here chocolates. First, you count ice creams are more or chocolates are more. Okay? See here. 1, 2, 3. Here how many ice creams? 3 ice creams. And see here the chocolates. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here the ice creams are 3 and the chocolates are 5. So which is more, chocolates or ice Next one is the pencils and here the eraser. So first you count how many pencil and how many eraser in this set. Okay? Count the pencils. 1, 2, 3. How many pencils? 3 pencils. So here we write number 3. And how many eraser? Only 1. So here we write number 1. So which object is more? The pencil are more or the eraser are more? The pencil are more. So we will do color. क्योंकि पेंसिल 3 है तो पेंसिल क्या है? more है means